Family, from I came on the 24th of January. Laverne is cooking and she's tired now. So Rosie is gonna cook. They are my two cousins and they live right here together. So Laverne finished cook now, so Rosie is gonna cook for me. She don't like to show her face, family, but she'll cook the food and she's gonna cook for a few days. And then I'm gonna go to my cousin Maxine and Maxine is gonna cook. She don't mind show her face. Yeah, I have two cousins. I'm gonna go there and let them cook too. So all the family is gonna cook for you guys. Because I'm here for a month. So everybody's gonna cook. And you're gonna see me go up to Lover's Leap. But when I go up to Lover's Leap, I'll just eat the food. No one will be cooking. And I'm gonna stop a few places. They're not gonna be cooking, they'll be just sharing the food and I'll be eating. Okay? So when I go back, I think I'll be fatter. I was trying to lose weight, but when I go back, I think I'll be fatter. And I've lost 30 pounds in 2022, and I need to lose 30 more in 2023. Okay? Doctor says I have to lose 60 pounds. No doubt, 60 pounds. So I'm down here eating the food, so I'm getting extra fat. So when I go back, I still have to lose more weight. Okay, fine. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell for all my upcoming videos, family. And don't forget to comment. And over here at Eat Good TV, I love you from the bottom of my heart, top of the heart, every part of the heart. I love you guys. Loads. I'm in sunny Jamaica and I'm picking the ackee. This is our national dish. From the ackee tree to the plate. I'm gonna give it to you with some cooked ground provision. So this is it. And see, I'm picking the ackee. I'm just breaking it. I haven't break ackee in a long time. And you have to make sure it's open like this before you use it. It's poisonous. But when it's open, all the poison will come out of the ackee when it's open. So when you open like this, all the poison will come out of it. But it's our national dish and it's very wash clothes. My favorite food, my national dish, and it makes soap. You can take it to wash soap. When I go back, you'll see me washing some, not soap, clothes. You can take it to wash clothes too.
Dry what? The one that's not open.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's... Look how beautiful this ackee is. I just picked it. Passion fruit in the glass. And you see some there, the 3 passion fruit there. Very, very good. Very, very delicious. Have a lot of health benefit. So it is right there. This is our local apple. I really like this apple, so I'm gonna put some ginger in it. Ginger give it a nice flavor, you know. Yeah, so this I'm gonna make apple juice with ginger. And this is our local apple. I'm in my garden and my nephew is digging a piece of yam for me. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. Gone all the way down. You have to cut that off.
That's one piece
Gone
of
far
wood.
down. Dig it a little bit more. First, you dig it. See, you dig in the yam out of my garden. I see some pieces there. Can't care, make Wanda cook some for me.
That's what I'm glad to make it. You get this way, yam feet if you want it.
I Wanda go cook. Yeah, man, I don't know what else she said.
You live enough, Miss Sonny,
Yeah, but you never
I
come.
never come back. I get no drive, man.
Oh, I didn't leave the dinner. Sunday did. Okay, she's putting the yam in the pot. Yep. That's the ground provision, and this is renta yam. So she putting some soft renta yam in the pot. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good. Yeah, she putting some soft renta yam in the pot. Yep. Oh yeah. Some soft renta yam in the pot. If you add lemon and you put on it, lemon change it. Take off all the brown spots.
No, man.
So if you have lemon, you put you squeeze a lemon when you put some water into a pot to wash the ground provision and squeeze lemon in it so it change it back to its natural color. Okay? Okay. She's gonna cover the pot. Alright, so she's stirring up the curry. The curry is gonna be so delicious. And to remove the skin of the chicken. You know, we don't use the skin, but if you like the skin on your chicken, curry chicken, you can leave it on. Right here on the chair is beer and Betty milk. I don't know if you have ever drink beer and Betty milk. Very good. Beer and Betty milk. Any type of milk, condensed milk and beer, it's very good. Sometimes people put a little vanilla, like a nutmeg in there, and it's nice. It's not a diet drink, it's just a nice drink. With your food, you know. So this is the beer and Betty milk right there. That's condensed milk. You can add some nutmeg, a little nutmeg, a little vanilla. Make it very delicious. Okay. And over here have the food. And I took 3 dumplings. I had one already. So good. That's the renta yam and the banana. And the dumpling and the chicken, curry chicken. Really nice.